Hello, this is a stand freezer, and this I want to make on this freezer, this compressor, the sound coming. I think inside the piston something problem. This not working proper. This compressor is working, this not tripping, but inside the pressure is not making proper. Now temperature is showing positive 25.8, the ampere for 5.5, the normal. Still is normal, little is the high temperature, high ampere, and the same. And I want to check this gas also full. The section here also is 135, and still not less because the compressor is working. Still not less, meaning compressor coil is working. I think compressor something is not working proper, and the fan is working, condenser fan, everything. Compressor sound is too much sound, and the discharge also same to 50, and then here is the same 5.78, and still high ampere, little high ampere. It's not normal. Compressor is, I think, is not working good. I will bring today is the compressor. I want to change this compressor, and I will check again this uh, fridge, indoor expansion valve, everything, and we need to flush, and we can filter dry, and I will show you everything. But this is not good. And this compressor will check it. Compressor is the little heat, not a normal. Getting hot heat compressor. Now I want to open this compressor and filter dry. Then I will show you everything. This compressor box, and I want to open this box, and we'll check it inside what they have inside box. This open this box. I think this is a mountain rubber for leg, compressor leg, and the inside have overload also. I think this control for compressor, relay, front side or relay, and the running capacitor and a starting capacitor with cable for compressor. Diagram for compressor. This showing the starting the left side and running the right side, and the command stop. Maximum compressor is a small one, the same like connection. For right side running and left side is a starting and top is common. We will fix it, and now I want to make it on, and we'll check it the pressure and the ampere. And this is relay for already I'll fix it. I want to fix it here. Cable for main line, and this is a common, this running, and this is a starting to 5 common for running. This 0 ampere, and we will fix the right side running, left side starting common top. One 1.3. This is a charging, and this is a discharge. This is a suction. This suction, charging, and this discharge. This is normal ampere. It's working. Everything is working.
This is expansion bulb. I want to open this expansion bulb and I will check it inside the orifice. What about this orifice is dirty and clean? I want to check it. First I want to open this and the inside have filter, orifice inside filter. I want to check. This is too much difficult place. There is no place. Very small place. This orifice, and I will show you the filter. See, the filter, half filter is dirty, very dirty, and I want to clean with petrol. Make brazing for filter dryer, because of before filter dryer is silica gel, that is a different this normal, but now I want to change this filter dryer and the good one. I will check this. This is a filter for orifice. I will clean this orifice. Okay, clean by petrol. That's good. And now I want to make vacuum. This 12 CFM. This is a very strong this vacuum machine. And now we can start this vacuum machine. This is a fix this filter dryer. This new filter dryer. And the expansion valve will fix it the same one. Just will clean before same this filter. I want to remove that filter and we'll fix it. This compressor I want to make on this compressor, and this ampere is now 3.22 and the temperature is 26.3, and we'll check this gas 32-35 gas psi, and I will check this compressor section, and that's a normal. I want to put more gas, need more gas, and the same ampere. I think this temperature is I think less now. This freezer stand freeze. This freezer yesterday will make it. This freezer, this compressor burn. This now coming temperature negative 15.0, and this compressor also working. This good working and smooth, nothing sound. And there is you can check this little ice coming. But I want to change this filter dryer, because of filter dryer before the silica gel, and now I will fix this filter dryer is good one. The filter thread one is good working, and the condenser everything. Just change the pipe location, everything, and this now temperature is coming. The temperature is minus 15.1. I want to open this door. We'll check inside the cooling. There is a showing fog, and there is a too much cooling. The negative minus 15, and setting temperature is negative 18. Very strong guys. It's nice working.